Hi, this is Joanne with Toriano Reporting, and I'm going to walk you through some of the features of a video synced transcript. To get to a point in the transcript, you can move the cursor under the picture frame, or you can scroll and then double-click on a line.
And neither of them had been at the party to see the incident occur, so I told them about it, and I had hoped that Mary would then speak with Bridget regarding feedback on the incident.
And do you know if she gave Miss O'Shaughnessy feedback? You were asked about an incident where Bridget O'Shaughnessy physically assaulted Mr. Gutman, and I wanted to ask you a little bit about that, other than, well, tell me sort of the setup of the restaurant where this happened.
So, I don't actually recall the name of the restaurant that we were at, but we were... there was a row of windows at the front of the restaurant, and below those were booths, and that's where we were sitting. And a large group of people walked past the window, and Bridget was with them. They saw us, and they entered the front door of the restaurant. They came around, and they sat with us.
Okay.
Remember, you can get to different parts of this transcript by just using the scroll bar and scrolling up and down, and then once again clicking on a line, and that'll get you to where the video starts.
Now, with respect to questions about what adverse employment actions that Mr. Polhouse just asked you about, why was did Walt Houston leave voluntarily from the company?
Lax Foundation.
Do you know?
Yes, I know.
And did he?
Yes, he did. He went on a sabbatical, and then shortly after left the firm.
Did he do that with a severance agreement?
Lax Foundation.
My recollection is that he received the same severance package that any other director would have received had they left the company.
Was his position eliminated?
Lax Foundation calls for speculation.
No, his position was not eliminated. He was offered another position.
To make clips, just click on the highlight tool and then highlight the lines you want included in the video clip. To review the clips you've created, click on Clips on the toolbar. That'll show you the clip list. You'll notice we have two clips of the same section. To remove a clip, just right-click on that particular clip and then delete the extra clip.
I mean, if you were describing the event, would you say that she intended to assault anyone other than Casper?
Objection. Calls for speculation.
No, when she said, "You fat bloated idiot," I kind of assumed she was referring to Casper Gutman.
And do you have a recollection of who was involved in this discussion where she slapped Mr. Gutman?
Mischaracterizes the testimony.
No, No, I do not have any recollection as to who she was sitting with or conversing with.
Okay.
To get back to the main transcript, click here. If you accidentally highlight a section that you didn't want to be highlighted, just right-click and then delete that particular segment. Remember, to create a clip, you need to click on the highlight button, and then you also, once you highlight it, you also need to click on the clip button. And that's pretty much it.
Who asked him to do that?
I did.
What position was he asked to take?
Well, the Senior Director of General Support.
And what was he before?
He was the Senior Director of Marketing and Long-Term Strategies.
So he was going to go from director to senior director.
Correct.
And that was a demotion?
Correct.
Why? Why was he being asked to take a lesser role?
Well, because the organization had doubled in size, and the organization we had at that time didn't seem to fit with the position that he had. So with a great deal of consultation, and in the end, my decision, I said, we would love to have you stay, but this is the position we would like to offer you.
Now, let's take a look at the word index. Click on the word index tab and scroll to the word you're interested in searching. And click on the various indexes to show where the word appears in the transcript. If you want to search for an exhibit, just click on the Exhibit tab and click on the exhibit. If you want to find it in the transcript, you can look for the word exhibit in the word index and click on the index. You can also search for an exhibit or any other word by typing it in the search bar and keep clicking on the search bar icon to see everywhere that the word shows up in the transcript. With a synchronized digital video transcript, you can create clips, export clips, and search for deposition testimony. Full video or clips can be exported in a number of various formats or other programs for trial preparation. Video synchronized transcripts are an easy yet powerful litigation tool. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you've enjoyed this demo.